Apparently, I'm going to be doing a taste test of new Trader Joe's Harvest Brunch turkey apple and pumpkin waffle recipe dog treats. Let's see if these are any good. Human, please go ahead and open the treats. A little faster, please. A little faster, please. All right. All right. Open them up. Open them up. Oh, yeah, they smell good. Can you please get one out? I'm waiting. Whoa. I will be snatching that. Give me that. Okay, I'm out. Munch, munch. These are really, really good. I'm gonna get all the crumbs here. Can't leave anything. All right, I think these are really good. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10 Mojos. And you can get them at your local Trader Joe's.